Alright guys, welcome back to High Universal Cut. Today, let's work on this haircut. This is high fade. High fade. Understand? See the hair is up. So we are going to fade it. It's going to be high fade afro. So watch very well. I don't want to talk much because I'm not too strong. And a lot of people have been saying that I'm talking too much. But anyhow it is. So guys, if today is your first time watching my channel, please, you are welcome. Do well to subscribe, turn your notification bell on so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to see it. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. That is the only thing you do for me. I'm not telling you to give me money, just do that for me so that YouTube will know that I'm trying, so that they can push my videos. Make sure you like, comment and share. And if you want to be part of us, please subscribe, turn your notification bell on. So without wasting our time, sorry guys, let's just dive into it. The first thing you need to do is to comb the hair thoroughly to know how the hair grows, right? So after combing the hair, make sure you sterilize your clipper. I've done that already. I'm not going to show the part. After that, the next thing you need to do, let me use my pencil to illustrate what I want to do. I've been doing this illustration at this right by now. You should be familiar with it. This is high fade. The first guideline is going to be what? It's going to be skin. So don't let it to go up. It's not because of its high fade you now make it to come up well. No, it's going to stop here. Are you seeing it, guys? It's going to stop here. So the fading, the blend is going to stop here. So now this hair now, most of you will be thinking that why is it that anytime I'm barbing hair, the first guideline is always skin? That is what the customer wants. Do you understand? So for this high fade to show very well, you are going to skin the first guideline. After you skin it finish, you put it on normal low cut level to create the second guideline before using your step 1 to blend it. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, right? So after that, that is all. Don't forget to like, comment and share. So I normally barb only one side. For those of us that are just joining us, I normally barb only one side, right? See, this chair is not a rotatory chair. That is why whatever you see me doing here is the same thing I will do to this side, but I'm not going to take the camera to this side because it's not going to clear. Do you understand? So you take your time and watch it very well to understand the steps, the way I move my hand, the way I do everything. Do you understand? Let's go. So from here to here, it's going to be what? It's going to be skin. Then from here to here, it's going to be low cut level, the second guideline. Then the third guideline, which is the blending with the step 1, is going to stop here. Do you understand, guys? Let's go. First thing, put it on what? Put it on skin by bringing the gel up. Make sure that the two teeth are well joined together. Sorry guys. Remember, I told us that you can start skinning the hair like this, but me, I don't like it. I prefer taking it off first before I skin it. Why? Because I don't want the hair to weaken my blade. Do you understand? What the way my hand is moving. And make sure you are brushing up the hair. So after you done raising it up, you turn your hand downwards to skin it. Please, if you have any question to ask, you are free to ask. Anything that you don't understand, make sure you ask, okay? And a lot of people have been asking me to create a WhatsApp group for us to deliberate, interact, share ideas. I've done it. Check my post. Under my post, you see it. You see the link there, the WhatsApp link. I posted it there. So go and follow us. Let's create something unique. Alright guys, let me use this opportunity to tell us that there is a haircut I'm going to do. I'm going to leak all the secret, but that haircut I'm going to post it for only only those people that subscribe for membership group. Do you understand? So if you want to watch that video, go and subscribe to that membership, go and join that membership group. You will learn a lot of things in that haircut that I want to do, but you pay small token. Do you understand? You pay small token. So after this one, after the first guideline, after you have created the first guideline, the second one is going to be what? Normal low cut level. You open your blade. Please, if you are not understanding anything, let me know, because people say that I talk too much. I don't want to be talking too much again. Do you understand? Okay. Okay. So after you have created the second guideline, the next thing you do now is to use your step 1 to create the last guideline. You put it step 1, put it under low cut. Then the next thing you need to do now is to blend it. Do you understand? You blend it. After you bring it down finish, the next thing you need to do is to raise it up again. After this, you remove your step 1, put it on normal low cut level. Sorry, I didn't explain. After you bring it down finish, after you put it on normal local level, you raise your hand upward, you fade that line. If there is anything that you don't understand, let me know, please. You can ask in the comment section. Go and join that WhatsApp group. That's where you feel free to interact with me as you like, ask questions, post your work so that I can, if there is anything I'll correct it. Remember, it's on low cut level, right? Now I want to remove the line finish. You put it on semi low cut. Don't let it join together finish. Do you understand? This is what I'm doing. I'm using the tip of the clipper. Please don't forget, like, comment and share. That is the only thing you do for me. Please comment anything. And if you know you have not subscribed yet, subscribe, turn your notification bell on. Feel free, go to my post, join the WhatsApp group. That is where we'll be posting your own work. I'll be seeing it. We interact, ask questions, learn, correct ourselves. Do you understand? Make sure you're brushing your hair down. So after you have done with all the blending, here you are going to trim here. You are going to trim it. After you trim here finish, you trim the hair. Do you understand, guys? Don't forget, go and join my membership pack. Go and join, because there is some haircut I'll be putting there. It's only those that join will be able to access it. Go and join. Go and join now. Remember, it's on low cut blade. Now if you want to trim the hair, make sure you comb it. I've combed it already. Then put it on what? Put it on low cut blade. Open the gel down, put it on low cut. You follow it this way. So guys, hope you understand everything starting from the beginning to the finishing, right? So we are going to stop here. I don't want the video to be too long. We are going to stop here. Remember, everything that you see that I do here is the same thing that I'll do to this side. Just that this chair is not a rotatory chair. And if I should take this tripod to this side, it's not be clear enough. Do you understand? So we are going to stop it here. So this is how to barb what? High fade. This is how to barb high afro fade. See what I did? Starting from the beginning, first guideline skin, second guideline local level, the third one step one. You see how I follow it accordingly. So if you understand anything from this video, give me a thumbs up, comment, share, tell other people to come and join this channel to learn. We are all learners. Do you understand? And don't forget to subscribe. Once you subscribe, turn your notification bell on. If you just subscribe and just leave it like that, if I post, you will not know that I post. So once you subscribe, turn your notification bell on so that whenever I post a video, you see it. You'll be notified. Share you get. So this is where we are going to draw the curtain. We'll stop here. Thank you guys for watching. I'm just weak today, like seriously, I'm just weak. Thank you guys. I love you all. This is universal cuts. Anything that you don't understand, let me know. And any haircut that you want me to talk or to do, please comment it. But don't forget to join that WhatsApp group. Join that WhatsApp group. That is where you feel free to ask questions. I will answer you. Everybody will interact and learn. And join my membership pack, because very soon there is some haircuts I will detail that if you are not a member, you will not have access to it. It's only those that are members that will have access to it. So you are going to just pay a little token. It's a sign of sacrifice. Do you understand? And what you are doing is just to support me. You are only supporting me. Do you understand? Thank you guys. I love you all.